Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty makeup tutorial right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion to prime my face. I'm using this Makeup Forever HD foundation in the shade 175 for my face. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to highlight my face. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Clay 2 to set my highlights. I'm using this benign banana powder to bake. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade 85 to contour. I'm using this Anastasia brow pomade in the shade dark brown for my brows. I'm using this Zeka Cosmetics Nude Girls Palette for my eyes. And I'm using this shade first. It's called Zeka Girl. Next, I'm adding this shade called Tickle for my crease too. I'm using this shade called Naughty Girl for my lid. I'm using this Zeka Cosmetics Smudge Proof Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this mascara from Zaron Cosmetics. I'm using this Sonia black eyeliner from Forever Living product for my waterline. I'm using this shade Zeka Girl for my lower lash line. I'm using this highlighter from Zeka Cosmetics and the shade is in the shade Moonlight to highlight my face. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup and I'm using this shade right here. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus to set my makeup. I'm using this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstain in the shade Vixen for my lips.